Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first you would have seen Gert from Gert Creates. She's absolutely amazing. There's a link in the description. Go check her out. You won't be disappointed. After me we've got Shannon from Shambi Fluid Art and then Bubbles from venomfluidart. So what we're going to do today is have a bit of a play day and just see what crazy stuff we can come up with. So kick back, relax, enjoy the tunes, and I'll see you at the end.
I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous love. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. I climb through your webs, jump off the edge of desire. Your touch takes me higher. Just give me your hands. We'll plunge the waters together and rise through the weather. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, I know the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I know the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do for this dangerous love. Oh, this dangerous love. Oh, this dangerous love. This dangerous I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the feeling that you know it. Yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the light. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. 'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, harder they fall. Can you hear history calling you, calling me? Written in stone upon tablets that fade away. We will remain. Oh, look what we done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all. I want it all. So long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say it. King, king, king. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one. Written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Glory to come. Oh, look what we've done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but it won't go down. I want it all. I want it all. Long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound We've been hiding in the shadows, we've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war, feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war, this means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war, feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war, this means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war, feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war, this means war, this means war, this means war. Just a little bit harder. Heartbeats just a little bit faster. The sweat begins to drip. You're thinking this is it. You're gonna burn through this. Cause you can only run so long, and you can only right some wrong. Yeah, forgiveness is a virtue, but they all wanna hurt you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you're okay, but you're running out of friends in this place, and you can't hide your guilty conscience. You wish you could take it all back now. Can't sleep without dreaming you're found out. You thought you covered your tracks, you swore you buried your racks, but you can never relax. You don't know what's around the corner, and the quiet always feels like torture. Yeah, this is gonna haunt you, at least until they got you. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. was that behind your back? Don't you hear those footsteps? Fate never forgets. Can't hide your guilty conscience. Somebody knows what you did. So smile and act like you.
Alrighty, we'll do a flyover of that one. Man, they're a load of fun. All you're doing is virtually offset blooms with a radial in the middle that you mess around with. That way it gives you like a deconstructed bloom look on the outside edge. So, loads of fun. Give it a go. You'll love it. Alright, up next we've got Shannon from FlukieFluidArt. Click on the link in the chat. It'll take you to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paintballing via venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list. That way you get to see everybody on the Fluid Art Express one after another and you don't get lost. Once again, thanks Gert for being our very special guest this week. Absolutely awesome, mate. So, thank you very much for joining us. Alright, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.